Part 4. Alarm settings. One of the common attributes to all sensors is the ability to set an alarm. So let's set an alarm on our temperature input by clicking the alarm icon, which opens the Define Alarm dialog box. Here, we can set an alarm based on a specific threshold. Click the drop down here and we can set an alarm that's triggered when the measurement goes either above or below threshold, outside of a specific range or within a specific range. We'll go with above a threshold of 22 degrees Celsius for 3 seconds. But when the alarm's been triggered, what do we want Sync to do about it? Under Action, we can choose whether to transmit a notification to the host in a wireless application or select Do Not Notify if the sensor is connected locally. And if your sensor has programmable outputs, we can set the alarm to turn on a specific output. I'll set it to turn on output 0. You can also set it so that when the alarm is triggered, it will change the rate at which the data is sampled, for example from every hour to every minute, but we'll leave this at the Do Not Change setting for now. And under Recovery, you can tell Sync what to do once the alarm state has passed. In the drop-down, choose Clear Alarm if you want it to just go away, or Latch Alarm if you want someone to perform a manual operation to clear the alarm. And Duration tells the system how long you want the alarm condition to be over before the alarm is cleared. I'll set it to 2 seconds before it clears the alarm. Click Save and our alarm settings are activated. And now when the temperature spikes above 22 degrees Celsius, you can see input 0 turns red and stays red until the temperature normalizes for 2 seconds, and then the alarm is cleared.